We're Sephira and we're on 67music.net.
Hey, we're sitting with Ruth and Joyce O'Leary, otherwise known as Safira. Welcome, ladies.
Thank you very much.
Nice to meet you.
Lovely to meet you too.
Your first gig at Ocean Shores, correct?
Yes.
Or at the, but you've gigged up in Washington before, in this part of the world.
We were in Hoquiam last night, and then we've played in Aberdeen, yes.
At the DNR Theatre. And also when we were on tour previously with a big show, we were everywhere.
Everywhere.
Yes.
Are you having a good time in the States?
Oh,
Yeah.
we love it.
Love it.
Yes.
Oh, great. How long are you going to be here visiting us with us?
We're actually going home to New York for
Tomorrow night
for a few weeks, and then we're back in Seattle in about 3 weeks' time again.
for the CD release of our
Christmas album.
New Christmas album.
Yes.
What's that called?
Starlight.
Starlight?
Yes.
Oh,
It's
excellent.
got all the Christmas favourites, but it has a twist.
Yeah.
We're really, really happy with it. We're really proud of it. We produced it ourselves, along with an amazing producer back in the UK. And
Dave Williams.
Dave Williams, yeah.
It's like our heart and soul has gone into it, and it's definitely our best work yet.
Oh, exciting. Exciting.
Yeah.
Now, where will we be able to find that? Off your website?
Off our website,
www.safira.ie. That's Sephira.
And it'll also be on iTunes, it'll be on Amazon, CD Baby, all that sort of thing. But all the details will be on our website.
That's great. That's great.
And actually, we're going back to Seattle again in December. We're actually on PBS at the moment with Michael Londra's Beyond Celtic. And we'll be coming to Seattle on
The 10th.
And then
And
the night
Salem.
before, we're in Salem.
On the
Oregon.
9th.
Wow, you're busy.
Yes.
That's great.
Yes.
That's good.
Can't complain.
Yeah,
The
absolutely.
holidays are coming up. That Christmas
I
album will
know.
be a good addition to someone's stocking, huh?
Absolutely,
And
yeah.
we have 21 shows in San Francisco over the
Over
Christmas.
Christmas.
Yeah.
And of course, all the gigs are on the site.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes,
yeah,
exactly.
yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can check us out on Facebook and Twitter.
Facebook and Twitter. That's the way to be.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for chatting with us, ladies. And
Thank
we
you
look
so
forward to
much.
your performance.
Thank
Okay.
Thank you so much.
We'll talk to you soon.
Hi, we're the Wicked Tinkers, and we're on 67music.net. Woo!
Hey everybody, it's Steve with 67 Music. We're up at Ocean Shores, Washington at the Galway Bay Irish Music Fest, their 8th annual, and I'm standing with the Wicked Tinkers. We've got CJ, Keith, Warren, and Aaron here. And welcome. Thanks guys for stopping and taking a few minutes with us.
Thank you.
So, first time at Galway Bay?
Yes, yes.
All right, are you on a little mini tour here?
No, we just came up for this all the way from
Special.
LA. Yeah.
Very mini tour.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, super mini.
And then back down south, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Sunday morning, 5 a.m.
Oh, okay, we'll all be up for that.
Yes. Come on along, it'll be fun.
All right, excellent. And so, anything new in Tinkerland?
Well, we're
Any
working on
new
some
music?
new material. Yeah, we'll do at least one new song tonight. And we're getting ready for the next CD. So,
When might we see that?
you know, I haven't even made a set list yet, so I have no idea.
But it's in the works. It's in the
Oh,
the
no,
new
no,
CD?
wait,
Oh,
the
new
new
CD.
CD.
Oh, I don't know. We're slowly gathering material. I'm very picky about pipe tunes. So.
And we've
And I
got
played all the
we
good
got
ones.
six out. Over 300 pipe tunes have been played on those. So now he has
Yeah.
to.
Yeah,
He's
well,
gone
there's
through
nothing
every
How
one
do
of
you
his
remember
favorites.
those?
It was like
I'll
300.
try not to
I think
think
of
about
300
it.
more. I guess so.
Yeah.
That's
So
what
now
we're-
he just he just needs to find some another 300.
That's all.
Kind of like the movie.
Oh, yeah.
300.
He's got to get a new scan disc for up top. He's getting ready to run out of space pretty soon.
I'm still digging.
The new memory card.
Yeah.
All right, that's great. Well, we're going to be here and get a little footage of the show. And,
No problema.
Thanks again for just saying a little hi for us at
Yeah, you
67.
bet.
And,
Thanks so much. We're
Line
looking forward to it.
67.
67, yes.
We'll see you soon.
All right.
Adios.